Assalamu alaikum scholars. Today's lecture is about how to perform the structural equation model in Amos software. So how to draw this structure, you are requested to please see our previous lectures. This is a series of lectures to use the SPSS and to use the Amos software. So I have structured my lectures in a way that one by one every step is required to see the previous steps, and every video is required to see the next video. So these are the intercorrelated videos, a complete guide on the use of SPSS and Amos software. So when you have draw your structure like this, you need to fix the error term on the variables which are endogenous in nature. So and then click on plugins and ask that name unobserved variables. So you are able to perform the results. Results are hereby performed. Click on this button. You can see that these are the values and these are standardized values. Click on view text button. First you need to check the model fitness. CFI, you need to report the value of chi-square divided by degree of freedom, and GFI, AGFI, CFI, TLI, IFI, all these values are under the threshold values, and the value of Ramiza is also under the threshold values. So these are the estimates where you can see that these are path analysis, regression weights. So entrepreneurs trust, it is a beta value, and these are the significance level of the p-value. These are the direct impact of the entrepreneur trust on entrepreneur intentions, entrepreneur trust on socio-economic success, entrepreneur intentions on socio-economic success. So all these three are the direct hypotheses which are accepted at the 100% significance level of the p-value. So you need to report these values like here, that these are the beta values, standard error and t-value and the significance level of the p-value, and then you can say that hypothesis number 1 is accepted and hypothesis number 2 is accepted and hypothesis number 3 are accepted. So these are the direct effects. So direct effects are accepted in the structural equation model. So here one of the hypothesis is the indirect variable, where you can see that there are some indirect effects also as well. So these are the direct effects, and these are total effects, total standardized effects. So at the end you can see that there is a indirect effect. So the indirect effect of the entrepreneur trust on socio-economic success is also found significant through the mediating role of entrepreneur intentions. Look at the model. There are three direct ways: direct path, entrepreneur trust on entrepreneur intentions, entrepreneur trust on socio-economic success, and entrepreneur intentions on socio-economic success. These are the direct path, and all these three hypotheses are accepted. And there is an indirect path through the mediating role of entrepreneur intentions, the role of the impact of entrepreneur trust on socio-economic success through the mediating role of entrepreneurial intentions. So the indirect hypothesis is also accepted here. You can report this beta value for the indirect effect of the entrepreneur trust on socio-economic sustainability. So this is the way you can report your direct and indirect hypothesis, and you can say that this is a table in which you can copy paste your figures. These are the direct effects and these are the indirect effects for the mediating role. So this is all about today's lecture. You are requested to please see our next lecture as well. Please subscribe to our channel and click on like button if you like our videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.